Welcome to Wedding Scout. We match your vision and your budget to your ideal venue. My name is Ren Nui. I've been a professional wedding planner for 15 years. Enjoy this brief sample of what you can expect at weddingscout.com. Here are our top 5 takeaways of Contigo Ranch in Fredericksburg, Texas. 1. Contigo Ranch offers a unique blend of historic charm and modern comfort, with 5 restored cabins from the 1800s and 10 contemporary cottages. 2. The bluff is situated on a hill overlooking the rest of the property and is a popular location for wedding ceremonies. This enchanting meadow offers epic views of the Texas Hill Country and comes with electrical outlets for your convenience. 3. The spacious bridal cottage is designed with ample natural light. It is located in the middle of all the action, but feels tucked away with a large covered patio that's ideal for your first look or portrait sessions. 4. Contigo Ranch designed the events hall to truly let the outside in, with a connecting covered patio and lush lawn that's perfect for your cocktail hour. 5. Just minutes from Fredericksburg, the ranch is home to an array of wildlife, and your guests will love taking photos at the scenic overlooks of the Texas Hill Country. If all of this sounds good to you, let's explore Contigo Ranch and find the venue that fits your vision. Don't stop here. Join me for a more detailed, in-depth tour. Build a venue-specific budget based on your guest count and visualize your day with professional custom layouts. Stop scrolling endlessly for wedding venues. Everything you need to pick the best wedding venue is right at your fingertips.